So, Egypt won. Bafana nil. Mo Salah penalty. I do not know, angazi, how was that given as a penalty against Mutau on Mo Salah, but yeah, it happened. They scored from a bookie. They scored from a bookie penalty. Brown envelopes were given early before the tournament. On top of that, we are denied a clear penalty. I do not care, Wafitu. When the ball touches a man's hand in the box, it's a penalty. It's a penalty. I'm sorry. The rules have said it. If it touches the man's hand, it's a pen. So I was telling he was supporting his body and whatnot. Yeah, but Morocco got a similar penalty literally 2 hours before or after, I mean. Morocco got the same exact penalty in the box, hitting the man's hand. Unintentional, but it was given a pen. How was the Egypt defender not penalized for that? But the Mali defender was penalized. Make it make sense, Bafet. Sanibonani Dumilanga abshini. Usabelo umfana kaMdluli. Hayi niyabona niyezwa ngale voice ukuthi I'm disappointed Bafet with the result. Not only am I disappointed with the result, I'm disappointed with the way we played. I'm disappointed with the refereeing, disappointed by the coach. Let's start with the coach. Hugo Broos got it wrong. The lineup, middle of the pack. I knew it. Hugo Broos was going to go defensive. Taking off MasterChef, ufaka uMbatha. I don't have a problem no Mbatha. But playing uMbatha, Stole, Mukwena in the midfield three, you showed Egypt respect. Let me tell you something. They respect us. No, let me so I was respect. They feared us. Egypt feared us, feared our football, feared our attack, feared our wingers when you decide to go defensive. That first half, besingeko, we were nowhere to be found, nowhere to be seen. They scored a bookie penalty given to Mo Salah. That penalty was given because it was Mo Salah. That's it. If it was any other player, foul penalty. Come on. That first half was a shambles, embarrassing, disgrace. I do not want to see that first half ever again in my life. I've taken it off my memory card. Say swipe it off. Second half, he makes the change. They are down to 10 men. Brings on Umbata now. Brings off Umbata. Brings on MasterChef. We control the game, but we didn't penetrate. Pause. We did not penetrate them enough. That's why I think we were not gonna score the open goal. That penalty that we were supposed to get, we were gonna score that penalty. The game we were playing a draw. You never know. We would have won that game in the last minute. You don't know. This is football. But let's talk about that second half. Hugo Broos made the right substitutions, bringing off Umbata for MasterChef. Muremi, for once, was dangerous on your wrong side. You were dangerous. I'm fun, dangerous. Bom, 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 bom. Bo, 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 bo. Yaksaba. I'm fun, danger. You were dangerous in Fanagate. Muremi was dangerous in that second half. Ran out of gas. He brings on Mukwana. Wrong substitution. You don't bring on Elias Mukwana if you need a goal. You start to Elias Mukwana, or you bring on Elias Mukwana when it's 0-0 or we are not chasing the game. No. Khona uSandre Campbell, why ungamfaki umfana waseBelgium odlala ngenyawo laka left, educated left foot? Why didn't you bring him on? Why didn't throw the kitchen sink? I know it's second game, it's not over yet, dlala neZimbabwe, but come on, bring him on. Not Elias Mukwana. We know our limit ka Elias Mukwana. He's not skillful enough to take on his defender. He's one-dimensional Mukwana. Mshange to ball. It's over. Take on his men. I don't think so. Mbogazi. World class. Mo Salah ukorile mfethu, but let me tell you something. If you know what this is, you'll understand. Katangeko. Mamush katangeko. Mbogazi. Mfana githi. Toronto FC, you've got a player in your hands. If you don't make good use of this player, Msulwenu, Mbogazi son, world class, 20 fucking years old. I know, ayikho kanje bafethu. OJ Mabizela part 2. You should be playing in Europe, not in the fucking MLS. Anyway, guys, then the incident that's on everyone's mind, mouth, or anything you say. We should have gotten a penalty. We didn't. We move on. Akusizi ukukhala, akusizi ukucomplaina. It's over. It's done. The referee fucked us up. Pause. It's over. Let's move on. Let's go beat Zimbabwe convincingly. Angifuni leya performance esibe sinayo 3 months back. Ngiyakhumbula eDurban. Was it Durban or Mapira? Was it Durban or Mapira? No, not that performance again. Beat Zimbabwe convincingly. You score 2 goals, we go to the next round. Sizo qualify kule group of it. I'm not scared. I do not fear. We're gonna qualify. Angola not beating Egypt. Angola are shit. Angola ayikho mnandi. Zimbabwe ayikho mnandi. I don't care what you say. In this group, it's Egypt and South Africa, the best teams. Best teams in this group. We are going to qualify with ease and without fear. But I ask for one thing. Do not come ngale mentality benayo 3 months back when you played Zimbabwe. Basibama not ekhaya. No. Go in mentality of I'm gonna kill these motherfuckers. Let's kill these motherfuckers. Kill them. Kill them. Don't be scared. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to your boy, comment down below. It's easy, doesn't take much of your time. Just press the red button. Red button. Fagi pressure, yo. If I was a red button, I was next. Press that red button, subscribe to your boy, like the video. See you on the next fan cam. Zimbabwe next. We have to beat them. No more fooling around, no more playing around. We are neighbors, but no. Asibabuleki ushukela this time. Asibuleki sani and next. Maki, ngicela ungiphe. No. Angifuni. 2-0 scoreline. That's what I'm asking for. I'm out, Bafethu. Zimbabwe next.